Bitcoin or Ethereum? Who wins the institutional race? Let's break it down. Welcome back, folks. Time to catch up with the market on SoSoValue Crypto Daily. The crypto market saw a modest lift in the past 24 hours. Total market cap is up 0.9% to $4.08 trillion. Bitcoin gaining over 1.17% to break $120,000. Ethereum roaring again by 2.4%, passing $4,300. Most sectors wasn't aligned with ETH. AI sector even pulled back over 2.5%. Now, the bigger story today is the growing split in institutional adoption between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Michael Saylor is doubling down on Bitcoin. He says it's on track to outperform the S&P 500, and the numbers back his conviction. Bitcoin dominance is steady around 60%, and in just 6 months, the number of corporates holding BTC has jumped from 60 to 160. MicroStrategy tops the leaderboard with a massive 628,800 BTC, worth roughly $74 billion. But Ethereum is building its own momentum. Consensus CEO and Ethereum co-founder Joe Lubin believes corporate treasury adoption could push ETH's market cap beyond Bitcoin's within a year. Public companies already hold $11.77 billion worth of ETH, with Bitmain leading at 833,100 ETH, about $3.2 billion. Institutional and ETF-driven demand has pushed ETH up 23% over the past month, but even with that growth, Saylor insists that capital flows still overwhelmingly favor Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Coinbase is quietly blurring the lines between CeFi and DeFi. They've integrated decentralized exchange trading directly into the main Coinbase app, so that means US users can now trade base native tokens instantly with network fees covered. These trades are routed through Uniswap and 0x for the best price and liquidity, giving users access to far more than the 300 tokens listed on Coinbase's centralized exchange. It's a big play to win back market share and deepen CeFi-DeFi integration, though it could draw more regulatory attention. And in the ETF space, BlackRock isn't jumping on the XRP train just yet. Even after Ripple settled with the SEC, BlackRock says it has no current plans for a spot XRP ETF. Reasons: limited client demand, ongoing regulatory questions, and a focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Other firms like ProShares and Grayscale are moving ahead, but BlackRock is staying cautious for now. Looking ahead, there's a busy week for token unlocks and macro data. APT will unlock $53.9 million worth of tokens, ARB $43.3 million, and AVAX $40.8 million. On the macro side, all eyes are on July CPI data, which could shift interest rate expectations, and politically, Trump has nominated Stephen Miran, a known pro-crypto voice, to the Federal Reserve Board. If confirmed, it could add more policy tailwinds for the industry. So today's market may look calm, but the institutional chessboard is heating up, and the Bitcoin versus Ethereum narrative is far from settled. That's a wrap for today's update. Catch you tomorrow, same time, same place. Cut through the chaos. Focus on what drives the crypto market. Stay on top of crypto research, all in one place at SoSoValue.com.